Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and I'm going to give you a really quick demo of how to use the Cherished Dreams Lightroom presets in Lightroom CC. These presets are much better suited to Lightroom Classic in Creative Cloud because they also come with some brushes that give you a lot more control. You cannot use custom brushes in Lightroom CC. So I'm going to come up here and click on the Presets tab. Well, I've clicked on the Develop tab. I'm going to click on the Presets tab down here. And you will see the LSP Cherished Dreams preset collection here that's come up. This photo has nothing done to it so far. You can also watch the Photoshop edit of this exact same photo if you like. If you're not sure about how to get presets into Lightroom, you can watch my video of how to do that. So I'm going to simply hover over the presets here until I find the preset I want. For this image, I really want to draw attention to this connection here. So I'm just going to keep hovering over. I think I'm going to go for this one. I want a really warm and bright fill. You can, of course, come into this Develop tab here and you can change and tweak all the settings as you like. So now I'm going to come down here to the Perfect the Light section. This is where we can start tweaking the preset even more. So these are putting the lights up, lights as shot, and taking the lights down. I'm going to take the lights down a little bit, I think, but I can always come and change that again. Now we can change the white balance. I think I like midday. Now we have some extra little tweaks here. Changing the blacks. Perhaps lift those up. I may come up here to the lights and bring them up a little more. We can change the highlights of the image. Add a matte effect. I don't think I'm going to do that for this image though. Add a vignette. This will darken the edges in, which I really like. When it comes to creating this style of image, because you really want to draw the attention in. Now we have the finishing filters. These add a filtered effect, a filtered gradient over your image if you want to use one. I think I'm going to use narrative for this one. Yep. And you can go ahead and further tweak the image if you want to. I'm going to bring the whites down a little bit, I think, for this one. Perhaps the contrast up even more. So you can go ahead and just keep editing that. So that's using the LSP Cherished Dreams collection for Lightroom. As I said, much better used in Lightroom Classic because you can open up brushes in Lightroom Classic and use the brushes to kind of further define and edit your image. But if you prefer to use Lightroom CC, you can use these presets in it, and they will also work in Lightroom Mobile. If your Lightrooms are synced and you've loaded them into CC, they should automatically show in mobile once it's synced. So I'm Lauren, and you can get the Lightroom presets at www.lsp-actions.com.